Hey guys, LechK here again in the middle of my sauna build project. Still working on the roof right now. Just finished nailing down the roof rafters, and I want to talk about hurricane ties. It's something very important to install whether you're doing any type of roof, shed, sauna build, house, or so on. It's a security purpose. It's called a hurricane tie. There's a few different designs. It's also some codes require them so your roof doesn't lift off, from high winds or whatever the reason. So let me show you what these look like, what kind of nails you need, and how to put them on. This is the design I'll be using. It's pretty simple. They're about $1 a piece. And there's all different ones. There's also ones that look like joist hangers, but I'm using true two wide beams, so those wouldn't fit us. They're made for 1.5 beams. So this will work in my case. And the nails, you need the galvanized nails. They're usually right next to these. You get either the 8D or the 10D size, so just make sure you get the right size for the tie, for the holes it has. So let's put them on. So you put in one on each single roof rafter, front and back. And the way they're gonna sit is just like this. And just watch this line here where it says plate line. You wanna go make sure that this is above or even with the bottom of the rafter. So when you do your ceiling, this is not in the way. Nice and flat. I'm gonna nail it down with 5 nails. And one by one, get it all done, and that's it. Do 1 nail on each, so you have it lined up, and then you just go to town on the rest. And that's it. And there you go, guys. Just like that. It's out of the way for any ceilings or beams you'll be doing. And no, you don't put another one on this side. This is the one that's only one-sided. There is the one, like I mentioned, that have sit on both sides and basically hangs on it like that. But it won't fit my 2-inch beams here. So yeah, I'm gonna do this all around, and that's really it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, follow this build, and come check out more. Thank you.